Hello everyone and welcome to episode 60 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we will take a look at how you can remove the report abuse link that is present below your form. So the report abuse link is basically there because we want to ensure that MakeForms is not used for any kind of illegal activities like phishing or collecting passwords. And so, if you ever find a form that is having this kind of data collection tricks being used, then you can click on the report abuse link and fill out the form, and we will take a look at that form. And if the claims are correct, if the form is used for phishing, we can just close that form and also delete the associated account. So, but many a times, you as a user might not want to have that report abuse link at the bottom of your form. So it's very easy to do that. And to do this, what we ask you to do is we ask for verification from your end. Okay, and you can do this verification very easily, and you have to do it only once. So all you have to do is you have to go to your settings page, and as soon as you see your settings, you will be taken to the profile. Over here you will see something called as secondary verification, and it says that you are required to complete the secondary verification to disable the report abuse form. So all you will do is you will click on begin verification, and as soon as you do that, there will be a pop-up that says begin verifying. And when you do that, you will be asked for your country. So let's say I'm in India, so I will click on India and I will proceed. And then you can upload any of these, like a driver's license, a PAN card. So like I can actually do that. I will upload a PAN card, but and I can also continue on another device. I'll better do that. So I can also send a link to myself. So the steps of this particular verifications are very easy. So I really, like in this video, I cannot update my details, but just go through this process, and as soon as you finish this, you will see the option that says the verification is done. And once you are verified and given all your details, we will uh, remove the report abuse link from your form. So this is important because we want to ensure that we have the identity verification for those people who want to remove the report abuse link. So if at all there is any kind of abuses done to the system, like phishing or any kind of activities, we at least have the identity of that person verified who is using the account. So this way you can actually get rid of the report abuse uh, button that is below your form. So with this, we feel that we are almost done with everything related to make forms, form guru series. Because like if you've been on this journey of form guru series from day one to day 60, which is today, I think we've covered almost everything that we can, uh, pretty much end to end. So from tomorrow there will be Form Guru episodes coming up. We will definitely do a few of them as soon as we launch new features. So every feature that we launch, I would probably do a Form Guru episode almost the same day. But going forward, we are not seeing at one video per day for sure. But with that, we are planning for more content around this whole form ecosystem. So I think stay tuned, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll miss you guys. So, but that's it. I think we done with the Form Guru series for now. But as I said, we'll be back with new episodes as soon as we keep on launching new features, by which we definitely do have in our pipeline. And yeah, feel free to comment, please. And if I feel that you definitely need some help with any kind of form, I will create a form guru episode on the same. So that's it. Thank you for this journey over the last 2 months. It's been pretty exciting. With that, signing off, Pratik here from MakeForms. Bye bye.